Learn more about how to employ affiliate marketing techniques. Affiliate marketing involves businesses rewarding affiliates for each customer brought to the business's site through the affiliate's efforts. Affiliate marketers' methods for attracting customers for businesses can range from simple advertising to offering rewards to customers. If you wish to join an affiliate marketing program, then be sure to read the tips found in this video. You will need to know your target audience when putting affiliate marketing material on your site. Know why they are coming to your website and what it is that they are looking for there. If you don't capture their interest quickly, they will leave the site without participating in anything. Be upfront with your readers and tell them you use affiliate marketing. Their reaction will more likely be positive. You should always be honest with your content. If your visitors see that you are using affiliate marketing in a positive way, they will mostly respond in a positive way as well. It is important that you treat your website visitors right. They know an affiliate advertisement when they see one. If you endorse a product that you do not believe in, or if you take advantage of their visit with excessive ads, then they will not visit your website in the future. Good affiliates are those that communicate with their partners. Beyond automated systems, FAQ pages and resource databases, an affiliate that offers rapid person-to-person conversation is going to be much easier to work with. Webmasters should recognize the value of such individual communication. An affiliate that responds immediately and personally to questions will ultimately be a better partner than one that is hard to communicate with. If you are just starting out as an affiliate marketer, you should attempt to keep your campaigns small by only going with one solid product. See if you have a knack for the game or not. If you begin to make commissions on products, then you can begin to expand your presence online. But keep it small to start. Do your research on the costs to start an affiliate marketing program. Many newcomers to the industry tend to forget that there are startup costs to this type of business. Keep in mind the setup, transaction fees, the contract minimums that you agree to, maintenance costs and development expenditures. As stated in the video above, affiliate marketing is done by affiliate companies to help businesses draw in more customers to buy products and/or services. Using the tips that are featured in the above video, you can join an affiliate program that can help your business. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google Indie ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.